Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cooler MasterLiquid 360 IO White Liquid Cooler. So friend, Cooler Master has announced MasterLiquid 360 IO White, an all-new colorway for the premium liquid cooler. The flagship AIO cooler features the company's first LCD display and showcase the most advanced cooling technology to date. The MasterLiquid 360 IO White is the liquid cooler to watch for next generation PC building with the ideal combination of flagship performance and customizable possibilities as well as all white aesthetic for entire different look. So friend, the key feature including Generation X dual chamber design, a dual chamber work together for most efficient cooling and 2.1-inch IPS LCD screen. The pump feature a 2.1-inch LCD screen fully customizable via the Master CTRL software and 3 wide Mobius 120p ARGB fan for unmatched cooling performance and built-in features such as controllable RGB lighting and automatic PWM adjustment are compatible with all major motherboards and allow for in-depth personalization. And the Mobius 120p ARGB fans are simplified bracket design, make installation simple and faster. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.